If you want to maximize your unique gifts and efforts in content creation, then one of the major things that you need to review is your marketing. In doing your marketing review, take a look at your analytics. Ideally, you already have your email marketing, social media, and website tracking spreadsheets. Under your email marketing spreadsheet, you'll need to look at your open rates and your click rates. And then on your social media, you'll need to look at your engagement rates and your click rates. And on your website, most especially on your lead magnets and your sales pages, you'll need to look at your traffic sources and also at your conversion rates. These are all important KPIs simply because it will help your traffic to go to leads that are cold to warm to hot leads ready to buy your product and services.